Now that you've found your way to qsserver.com, I'm going to show you how to register so that you can use some of the programs that we have. Now when you sign up, you'll get 400 points for free, and so you can run different programs and find out how they work for you. We've got a couple of short videos that I suggest watching, and let's see how to register. So go ahead and click on the register button, and then you'll need to switch over to the register side instead of the login side. And then if you want to use your Google account, you can click here and choose the Google account that you want to use. But you'll still need to put in your name and country and your phone number, and the email is put in for you. And then go ahead and click I've read and agree to the terms and conditions, which you can find on the website, and submit it. Okay. Please check your email to validate and activate your account. If you've not received an email, please contact us here at this email address. So I click OK, and I'm going to go to my email, and here I got the email. Now sometimes, depending on your settings, it might show up in your spam, so look down here and find your spam folder if it didn't show up right away. But it should show up right away. So I'm going to click on the Validate Your Email Address button, and then go back and check your email box, and you should get another email from us. So it'll give you your login and password, and of course you can change your password once you've logged in. So I'm going to just copy this password, and I click Login. So this time when I log in, I'll be on the Login button, not on the Register button, because I already have my ID. I put in my email address, and I paste in that password that I got in that confirmation email. I click Sign In, and here it is, it says I'm successful. So now it's going to take me, if you want to save your password you can, but I'm going to change mine right away anyway, so I'm not going to save it. So the first thing you'll need to do is you'll need to upload your photograph. So I go to Profile, and this is also very important. This is for experimental use only, and it is not considered a treatment or diagnostic tool, just for experimenting with informational fields. Okay, so I have my name in here. Here's where you can change your password. I'm going to change my password now. And if you want to put in your gender, you can. And here you need to upload your photo, and we've got a photo guidelines page here to put in a proper photo of yourself. Here in the photo guidelines it says do not make it any bigger than 1200 by 1600 pixels. So if it's too big, you're going to need to make it smaller in a program like Photoshop or Windows Paint or any kind of photo editing program. Oftentimes when you take it from your phone, it's going to be a really high resolution picture, so you're going to have to either adjust that before you take it on your phone or do it in a program like Paint or Photoshop. So that's really important, because if you don't get your photo uploaded in the right size, your programs are not going to run. So here I'll need to upload a photo of myself. So I can click here, choose a profile photo, and I'm going to go to where I have that saved under Photo, and I'm going to upload that photo of myself. After you've uploaded your photo, then you can go ahead and run a program. So I'm going to go down here to Mantra Healing. And the mantra for forgiveness is only 30 points, so I'm going to go ahead and run that one. You can click on More Details or View All, same thing. And then all you have to do is click on Run Program and agree. And you can actually run clients as well. So if you're a practitioner, you can upload your clients to the server and run programs for them. But we're not going to go into that right now. So I'm going to run it for myself, and I'm going to click on Run Now. run program. And are you sure you want to run this program? Yes. Have you uploaded your photo? Right? We did that. So we say OK. We're allocating your hardware for you. Please wait a second. OK. There we go. And off it goes. So now it's running this program. It's only a 5-minute program, 5 minutes and 8 seconds. And it's going to run this program for me. And when it's done, then I can run another program. So it dropped my points down by 30 points. Okay, enjoy it. It's really awesome. Thank you guys.